This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baisden. Beautifully maintained and upgraded home with carpet replaced, except rug, and painted living room, hallways and primary bedroom in 2021. Water heater replaced 2022, garage door 2022, gutters 2023. Renewal by Andersen windows 2023. Sliding patio doors 2025. Replaced roof in June 2024 and deck refurbished in 2025. All that is left is to move in and enjoy this centrally located Great Neck home, which is close to public and private schools, Hilltop shopping area, restaurants, and just minutes to the beach. Great Neck Recreation Center provides outdoor facilities for basketball, playground, walking trail, gym, pool, and more for Virginia Beach residents at a very modest cost. Enjoy trips to the bay and First Landing Park and beaches. October 14, 2025. For more information, review the details below.